another wig review coming for you guys. This is a new unit from Ebony Line, so definitely check out ebonyline.com for your new units. Thank you so much, Ebony Line, for sponsoring this video. Let's jump right into this new synthetic wig. So the new wig that I have for you guys is brand spanking new, hot off the press from Outre. This unit is called Monroe, and this is the color 2T27. So Monroe is a nice wavy unit. She's sort of reminding me of Bia right now. I don't know why, but she is a side part, and it is a lace front. So you have some lace edge on the edges if you want to do baby hairs, and then you have a nice wide part here in the center that's curved into the side. You got two combs on the sides. Sorry guys, my cat is crunching up on a bag. And then you also have a comb in the back and two adjustable straps. If you're curious about the unit I have on my head right now, I will leave a link right up here so you can check out the review for that. But definitely stay tuned for this one. This is what the stock card looks like, and on the stock card she is in a white shade, but I got her in this warm honey. So the fit on my head is pretty nice, I'll be honest. She feels really secure on my head. I do have her tightened to the second tightest with the strap. This hair color is sort of hard for me to pull off, you guys. Like, I always feel like this hair color just blends too much into my skin tone, and it really doesn't do anything for me. Unfortunately, when I ordered the wig, there wasn't a picture of what the hair color looked like, so I really didn't get a good idea of that. But I figured, you know, since it had the number 27 in it, it would be, you know, a blonde color, but I wasn't sure what the top would look like. I sort of thought the top would be more of like a brown shade, but this is the color that it is. So let me go ahead and brush this out. Okay, so this unit does have filler hairs at the top here and in the front around the hairline. Yeah, so I guess you're supposed to do, let's take a look at the stock card. So she has this sort of swoop to the front thing going on. And then the rest of the hair is sort of pushed back, which I'm not really sure how she's achieving that, because there is no real bang here to do that with, unless you trim the bang into it to do that with. This is a very voluminous wig. It has a lot of volume. It does have good movement, but I could imagine her getting stiff pretty quick. But all in all, I think she's cute. I mean, I definitely think she's a cute unit. I wish I had gotten a color that wasn't so close to my skin tone though. But this color is beautiful. Maybe we should add a little bit of dark roots. Let's see what happens if we do that. And I feel like if this is your color, this could easily be an everyday wig. Like if this wig was in my everyday wig color, if that color is blonde for you or whatever your everyday color of wig is, this wig could easily be that. And kudos to Outre, because Outre is always that girl. I'll be honest, that is your everyday. It's your workhorse wig, the wig you buy over and over and over again. I remember Outre Camilla was like that. Outre London was like that for me. Outre Rosemary was like that. Outre Janessa. So many of the Outre wigs, they're not going to be your bombshell units. I've never had a wig from Outre where I was like, dog, this is my birthday hair. Outre's not that girl. Outre is that girl that you're gonna buy 5 of them in a 1B and you're gonna wear every day for 4 months while your hair is braided up in a protective style, and people are gonna start to think that that's your hair. That's Outre. So I love Outre for that, and I feel like this one could definitely be that, especially if you like a full look. Now, for everyday hair, if you don't like a lot of hair in a full unit, you may steer clear of this one, but honestly, I think she's really, really pretty with just a few adjustments. This wig is dope. Like, I definitely love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and stay tuned for the slow-mos.